All right, good morning, everyone. So for those of you who don't know, I've actually had a car detailing business for the last 14 years. It was actually my first business that I started. But anyway, so I got for my van, I got some new tires. As you can see, I went with the BFG KO2 all-terrains, and I wasn't sure of the size and if they were going to fit. So I actually bought them. I found a used set. They're in good shape. Found a used set for $350 installed versus, usually they're for this size it'd be about over $1,000 just for the tires alone. So I went with a used to get started and make sure that they fit, and then go from there. So I'm going to be repainting my wheels. I'm going to go with a kind of an aged copper bronze color. But on top of that, the wheel is a little bit dirty. So they're not super bad, right? But a lot of times when you use silicone based dressings and things like that, you'll actually get this staining because it absorbs dirt into the wall of the tire. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to clean that properly. And another benefit of it is when I'm taping off the tire, we're going to get this super clean, so the tape that I use will stick. So stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to be using a product called bleach white, I think it's pronounced. You can get it at Walmart. You can basically use any degreaser, but you want to be careful it's not too aggressive because you don't want to damage the tire or the wheel. So this bleach white stuff works super well. It's super cheap, and we'll go ahead and show you how to do it. So here it is, and just open up the cap and spray it on the tire liberally. Just load it up, and you'll actually get to see a lot of the dirt and everything just start running out of it. And you can already see the amount of stuff dripping out of it. That's just, you see it's just dissolving all that dirt and making it run right down. So we're going to continue to cover it. Just look at all that. Everything's dripping out. I mean, you can see that running off there. So it's really doing its job. This stuff, again, it's super cheap, but it works super well. So let's do that. Load it up. You don't want it to dry on the tire really, so just make sure you load it up well, and then we'll pressure wash it off. But definitely don't let it dry on there, because then you can get some spotting and things like that. Go ahead and bring you back in. And you can see all that, again, obviously it's wet, but all that dirt and everything that was embedded in the tire is all gone. Alright guys, so there you go. You can see it's still drying up a little bit, but you can see pretty much the majority of that dirt is out of there, and we should be able to stick the tape to it now and have no issues. So I mean, it's clean, like super clean. So that's it. That's the best way to go ahead and clean your wheels, or your tires. And then now that they're all clean, I would use a water-based dressing. I'll put a link down below to a good water-based dressing. They just don't attract as much dust and things like that. So and they're easy to remove. So if you want to remove, you can just go in with soap and water. It'll remove it, and then you can reapply. So that's the best way to do it, guys. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.